Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In today's video, let me show you how you can keyframe the wiggle expression in After Effects. First, open your After Effects, then go to the video you want to add the wiggle expression. Click Effects tab over here, then go to Expression Control and select Slider Control. After that, on the right, let's rename Slider Control over here to Time. Then duplicate this one and rename the amount. Then on the bottom, highlight the first value beside wiggle over here. Then pick whip our time slider. Then highlight this 20 over here and click whip finder and hover to our amount slider here. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!